is this. My first dirt bike I ever rode.
The 2017 Yamaha PW50.
Can I bring it up here?
Yeah.
Alright. Tell me when I'm gonna hear it. Tell me when to start. My new dirt bike, the next dirt bike is my new 50.
The 2023 KTM 50SX. All right, let's get it out. Don't turn the gas so much when you're... No, yeah, don't twist your... Works.
And next up is a Kawasaki 110.
Close, yeah. We got the 2013 KLX 110L. All right, rolled out. Let's fire it up. This one's a little big for him. Let's see. I'll fall over. Turn that on right here. On switch. Got a dead battery, so. Good thing it's got kick and electric. Come on. Oh, so close. Oh. Chucky. Oh. Not with no helmet, huh?
Next up, we got the Kawasaki 140.
Got the 2020 KLX 140. Bought for my daughter that she never rode.
Yeah.
Well, one time, huh? Now it's my favorite bike though. That thing is a sweet putter. All right, cool. Fire up.
It's not working.
Gotta turn on the start switch. Kick it like a man. Oh. Push start. Oh, okay, let go. Oh, there you go. Now, let go of that. Let go of that now. There you go. Give it gas and let go of that part. That's his first time starting it. Whoa, that one takes a minute to warm up. Okay, so once it starts, let go of the yellow button and just give it a little bit of gas, okay? Okay. Let go of that button. As soon as it starts, let go of that button. Do it easy. I know you gotta do it slow. This one's temperamental. You gotta do some, put the choke on there. And then oh no, you gotta warm that one up like a two-stroke.
The CR500.
You heard it right. We got the 93 Honda CR500. All right, Cole, start it up.
I don't know how.
I might have to do this one.
I can't.
You're gonna need a boot for this one. Blow your shoes out. All right. This one hasn't been started up since about the middle of July. So we'll see what happens. Choke's on. All right.
I'm trying to look at it. Wait, hold on, let me get a shot of it.
Alright, scoot back a little bit. Whoa, extreme close up.
Why did they do that?
Yeah.
The next one is a YZ50.
Whoa, 450 he means.
450 I meant.
Dad's Yamaha 2021. Whoa! Gonna wheel you out of here. Good job. Next episode, he'll be riding down the driveway. Mom! So that was the 2021 Yamaha YZ450F. Already been completely rebuilt one time. Yeah, the whole bottom end already had to be rebuilt. But thank you, Red Bluff Yamaha Motorsports, whatever you are. This one right here, we got the 2012 YZ450. But threw the chain on it down on the practice track and busted that piece off right there. So I haven't ridden it since. It's been like 3 years now. Got a piece right there. So if anybody wants a 2012 YZ450F, leave a comment. Get it for you pretty cheap. All right, that's the collection.
For the grand finale, we're gonna start all the dirt paths at the same time.
Hit it. All right, fire it up.
Get it. Start.
Die now. That's harder than it looks.